Let's face it, Google Stadia launching this week, it could change gaming forever. Eventually. Now, just in case you're wondering, there is a Stadia Premier Edition that's currently $129, but I think they're going to have a bundle that's on sale for Black Friday. And that includes the controller and the Chromecast Ultra. So let's get right into it and see what's included with this Founders Edition. So I've got to say this packaging has got to be the most simple package design I've ever seen. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. Oh, seriously? Look at this. What's up with these two marks right here? Come on, Google. Wow, this feels really nice. So it comes with a USB-C charging cable. Nice little white charging brick. A thank you card from the Stadia team. Stadia stickers. Warranty information. And of course, a quick start guide. And then you've got your huge charging brick with built-in Ethernet for the Chromecast Ultra. And then it has a pretty long micro USB cable that plugs in to the Chromecast. And of course, the Chromecast Ultra. So yeah, this controller feels really good. And this has a dark matte blue finish that feels very similar to an Xbox One controller. Now you can tell it is a little bit different shape, but yet somehow feels really similar. The buttons aren't quite as bubbly as the Xbox. Thumbstick caps don't seem quite as thick as on the Xbox One controller. But yeah, first impressions, yeah, this is a good controller. I thought I saw someone online complaining about the triggers not being clicky. But I don't get it. It feels just like the Xbox One controller. Okay, so this is what you get with the Founders Edition. Okay, so now for the fun part. Let's start playing some games and let's see if I just wasted my money. The first thing to do is set up the Chromecast Ultra, and then you set up your controller by connecting to the app on your phone, and then you pick whether you're going to play on a TV or other screen by going to their website. So during setup, now obviously not everyone's going to be a founder, so this may be a little bit different for you. But it does say I get 3 months of Stadia Pro subscription with games included, a buddy pass giving one of your friends a 3-month trial of Stadia Pro, and of course a special Founders Stadia name and badge. And of course Google is going to track probably everything you do while using Stadia, but they sort of already are. I mean, I'm using Android. And then once you're logged into the app, it looks like you can see what games are available. So it looks like we've got 2 free games, Destiny 2 and Samurai Showdown. And it looks like you do get discounted pricing on the games, such as NBA 2K20 is $30 instead of $60. Mortal Kombat 11's $42. Assassin's Creed is $30. Metro Exodus is $20. Final Fantasy 15, $30. Oh, Tomb Raider Definitive Edition, $10. And here's just a quick look at some of the other games. So you can see once you go to controllers, it's showing our Stadia controller. Looks like battery is about 75%. Is it vibrating? Yes. And then it says, in order to turn the mic on, you just press the assistant button, and let's just say continue. Share diagnostics and usage data. Nah, I'm gonna pass. Connect controller to Wi-Fi. I'll go and connect this. And it looks like it's connected. You can see the light there change to a different color. Okay, so it looks like there's an update. And once it starts flashing just white, that's it, it's updated. So then all we gotta do is hit up X, up B. And that's it, we should be paired to my brand new LG 75-inch 4K TV. So now let's start playing some games and see how it does. So just to give you an idea, my internet speed is usually right around 100 megabits per second, and I was around 10 to 15 feet from my router when using Wi-Fi. Now, playing on a Chromebook is what I really wanted to see, and to tell you the truth, I was amazed these games actually play on here. I mean, this thing doesn't even play Call of Duty Mobile from Google Play. There were some hiccups though when my wife was streaming Netflix on our TV, so I'm hoping they can fix this in the near future. Otherwise, I'll just have to tell everyone in the house, hey, I'm trying to play a game here. The most stable way to play in my testing by far is the Chromecast Ultra using Ethernet, and the games actually load faster than on my Xbox One S. However, there is some input lag or latency, but the only reason I even notice this is because I have the same Destiny 2 game on my Xbox One S, and when trying to move quickly left to right, it didn't seem quite as fast as on my Xbox One S. Now, I also tested this on a Pixel 3a XL, and surprisingly it actually worked really good, probably a little bit better than on the Chromebook. So after testing the past couple of days, I feel sort of like a beta tester where Google is checking to see if anyone is interested before they continue to develop the rest of the Stadia platform. I don't know, to me it definitely feels a little rushed in order to be Xbox and PlayStation. But man, I gotta tell you, being able to game on Chromebooks, it's really nice to be able to switch from one device to another, playing the same exact game using the same controller. I tried playing Stadia on 2 different Samsung tablets, and unfortunately I couldn't get it to work with either. In Chrome, if you switch to desktop mode, it will actually start the game. I just couldn't figure out how to get the controller to work. It's like it couldn't recognize the controller for some reason. And the Stadia controller is just as comfortable as my Xbox One controller, which I definitely wasn't expecting. I just hope they can get more games and developers on board in order to make Stadia a success and to be able to compete against Xbox and PlayStation. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.